Okay, here's a 16-inch Swallow I restored for a customer. It was a basket case. The restoration video will be on YouTube here soon. I had to make the hatch and the seat and everything because that was missing. Added the ball stanchions, the wire. Windshield's one of my reproductions. And I did not have air scoops on the front, so I added them to it to spruce it up. And I changed out the light bulbs in the front to LEDs, so they'll last forever. Repainted everything, striped it, the whole 9 yards. There's the Swallow decal that I reproduced for these. And now it's loud. It's wired up, so there's power all the time. And you have a switch on the electric motor on this side. I'll show it in a second. But this is loud, so be ready. Sounds like one of them old 49 airplane engines we used to play with as kids. At least I did anyway. And there's the dash setup. There's the power button. Turn this way. Lights are off. That way they're on. It's a pretty simple setup. Now these are one of those zoom motors. They originally come all white. I painted it up red and gold to match another boat I used it on. And these things are cool as hell. Used to be able to get them pretty cheap. Now they're expensive. But they're still nice. And there it is. All done, restored, ready to go. It'll ship it out tomorrow. Oh, and one other thing. Here's the original style stand for it. Came in a box. So I made copies, patterned, so I can make the original stand again for all the other Swallows. There it is. Oh, inside really fast. All restored. Wiring's all been redone. All the brass contacts have been cleaned and polished. I steel wooled the inside to clean it up. And there she go, all freshly wired up, ready to go. Runs on 3D size batteries. And that's the color combination this one came with. I don't really mind the pink. It kind of works. And anyway, there she blows. You can see all my other boats I restored on YouTube under rccraft.com or ITO Toy Boats. And my website's down right now, so if you have a boat you need restored, send me an email at rbojck@gmail.com. Let me know what you want to do with it, and I'll get back with you with a quote. And we can go from there. Right now I got a ton of boats to restore, so I'm really backed up. So figure at least 3-4 months minimum. Anyway, here you go. Have a nice day.